Safety Speed is located in Ham Lake, Minnesota. We manufacture vertical panel saws, routers, and substrate cutters, which help speed up productivity, making cutting faster for sign shops. At Safety Speed, we receive raw tube steel. It goes into our welding shop, is welded into each frame size. Then it's sent out for powder coating here locally in Minneapolis. And then it comes back here. We have sub-assemblies. The carriages are assembled onto the guide tubes. Those sub-assemblies are then sent to the machine builders who build the specific machine that's been ordered. Everything is built to order, and then they align the machine before we ship out. When the machine is completed, it's moved by the builder back to our crating department, and a custom-built crate is made for each machine, starting with the base, using 1x4s for a fence around the frame, and then it's secured in with staples and screws. Depending on the machine, accessories are boxed and then strapped to the frame, and then everything is shipped all in one package. We pride ourselves on easy-to-use equipment, safe and durable products, and a live voice with expert service.